Fluent Forms just got a new update for you. Let's see exactly how the new features work in action. To save you from redesigning every form from scratch, Fluent Forms now lets you inherit and reuse your default form styles easily. Just go to the Fluent Forms global settings. Under the General tab, you will find the default style template. Enable the button first, and then choose the form that you want to inherit the style from, and simply copy the style. Not only that, you can add custom CSS and manually update your form in Form Styler style. By the way, you can apply this default style template to your imported forms too. Adding context to form fields just became simpler. You can now attach prefixes and suffixes to Textarea, URL, and password fields, including domain hints like HTTPS, character count icons, and even SVGs, helping users fill out forms faster and with fewer mistakes. Here's something new for pro users. The team added a new Dynamic Autocomplete field type to the Dynamic Field module. All you have to do is choose your form, then select the field you want to pull dynamic data from. This gives your users a smooth type-to-search autocomplete experience. And it's perfect for those who have large datasets and custom post type selections. Fluent Forms' latest version also brings a small change that makes a big difference on mobile, and it's available for all. You can now choose the keyboard type for number and mask fields, so users instantly get the numeric keypad with fewer errors and smoother form completion. So Fluent Forms is getting better with every update. And the best part is, all of these features are directly improving real user experience, faster form building, fewer styling headaches. So which one are you using first? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.